Hi, it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and if you've been following along, I'm going to introduce our March Robert Kaufman calendar quilt. It is called Harvest. The designer is Elise Lea, and if you'd like to follow along and sew with us, it looks like it is a complicated block, but it's broken down very simply, and it's going to be an easy block. I just wanted to show you some of the colors that are in the quilt today. We've cut all of our colors, but I wanted, before I put them away, to show you the beautiful colors in this March quilt. For organization purposes, once again, we just cut off a tiny piece of that salvage and attached it so that we know, because there are actually 26 colors in our quilt, that we wanted to be able to easily identify what our colors were. And then I took it and put 2 colors in a bag. I have a label on my bag, and I'll go back. My next step is actually to start cutting my fabric and then putting them together, so I'll reorganize all of my fabric in a different way once I actually have it cut. We do carry all of the colors in the studio. We have 365 colors, and this is the March quilt Harvest. I hope you'll follow along and enjoy it. The quilt with us will have kits available in the studio, and that's all for now. Thanks.